Welcome to the Forgotten World, where we explore the stories that time almost forgot, uncovering the mysteries and histories that shaped the world we know today. If you're passionate about history and the untold stories of our past, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us on this journey. Today, we're diving into one of the world's most beloved drinks, coffee. From a humble beginning in the mountains of Ethiopia to becoming the global sensation it is today, coffee's journey is rich in history and mystery. The story begins in the 9th century in Ethiopia. Legend has it that a young goat herder named Kaldi noticed his goats acting unusually energetic after eating the red berries from a certain tree. Intrigued, Kaldi tried the berries himself and experienced the same burst of energy. Kaldi shared his discovery with a local monk who, after experimenting with boiling the berries, found that the drink helped him stay awake during long hours of prayer. Word spread, and soon, coffee was being brewed by monasteries, making its way through the region. By the 15th century, coffee had found its way to the Arabian Peninsula, where it was cultivated in Yemen. It was here that the first coffeehouses, known as coffeehouses, were established in the city of Mecca, offering a place for people to gather, converse, and sip this energizing brew. As coffee spread to the rest of the Middle East, it became an integral part of social life. The Ottoman Empire even embraced it, with coffeehouses growing in popularity across its vast territories. In the 17th century, coffee finally made its way to Europe. Coffeehouses quickly became hubs of intellectual conversation, fueling everything from political debates to revolutionary movements. But coffee wasn't just a drink, it was a catalyst for change. In London, Paris, and beyond, coffeehouses became known as penny universities, places where, for the price of a cup of coffee, you could gain access to knowledge and ideas. As global demand grew, coffee cultivation spread to the Caribbean, Central America, and South America. What began as a luxury item became a key global commodity, fueling trade, economy, and even the rise of modern industries. Today, coffee is more than just a drink. It's a culture, a ritual, and an industry worth billions. From your morning cup to the wide variety of brewing techniques, coffee has become woven into the fabric of daily life around the globe. From ancient Ethiopia to modern-day espresso bars, the journey of coffee is a tale of discovery, connection, and transformation. Thanks for joining us on this historical brew. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more stories from the forgotten world.